Hello? What? What? Oh, really?
She got you.
Oh.
She went way down there.
No, okay. Bye.
I just get warmed up there. Look.
Hold on. Misha's so pretty. Misha, are you a good girl? Are we going to go to the doggy park maybe tomorrow?
Watch, I'm going to just get warmed up.
You look like a bunny rabbit. Oh, Misha.
Where's she?
What are you doing?
You allow her to go way down there?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You allow her to go down there?
She goes down there if she wants, just as long as it's not near the road.
Watch this. Mish, come on. She goes under, then when I jump, guess what? Sarah.
Yeah?
She goes under, then when I go like that, what? I'll walk or be still. She just runs away because she's scared. Put me on camera, Sarah.
I already got a lot of camera footage. Let me get some of Misha. Oh, Misha. Hi, baby girl.
Yeah. I don't know what touched it.